Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to view all installed drivers in Windows 10 or 11. So click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now type driver query QUERY, then press enter. So you will see a list of drivers which is installed on your PC. So it's easy and quick way to check and to view installed driver on your PC. Just you need to type that command driver query. Here you can see and you can find out the name for driver. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.